Hello again, everyone. So now we are going to talk about multiplying binomials. Now, you may have heard FOIL before. We don't really like FOIL because it's a little narrow and it's not super mathematical. But what we do when we multiply binomials is that we distribute. Now, what's different, what you maybe remember as distributing would be like something like this, where you take the 3 and multiply it by x and get 3x, and you multiply 3 times 4 to get 12. Well, when we multiply binomials, we do mostly the same thing. We're going to multiply x times 2x. That'll get us 2x squared. And then x times 7 will get us plus 7x. We also need to multiply this negative 4 times both elements in the second set of parentheses. So we're going to go ahead and do that. The last step here, I'm going to have to combine my like terms. So my final answer here is going to be 2x squared minus x minus 28. When we multiply binomials together and they are both linear, the result will be a quadratic trinomial. The next few examples you'll see are going to be working in the opposite direction. I'll post a second video for you guys to take a look at that process.